This is the startup routine for a Harrison Alpha 1400XS CNC lathe. It focuses on the Fanuc series OITD, and this procedure is pretty much the same for any Fanuc controlled lathe. So once the power's on the left hand side, we need to make sure that we're in auto mode by adjusting the key switch. Next, feed rate to 100%. And hit the green button to boot the control. This will take between 2 and 3 minutes, and then you'll be given some instructions to do the e-stop test. So to follow the instructions, all we're going to do is depress both e-stops and then twist to release, and then we'll press the green button to initialize the control. This will put it into NC mode, but we want to be operating the machine in the manual guide I Fanuc conversational system. So to initiate this, press the man guide button, and then the ultimate goal of this procedure is to be able to move the turret out of the way so we can index the turret and then get onto datuming the tools. So we need to move any obstacles, tailstock needs to be right out of the way, and then we need to lock that in position, close the chuck guard and take a final check of the machine enclosure to make sure there's no fixtures, parts, tooling, anything that could cause a crash. When you're satisfied that everything's safe, then we can close the doors and then jog the entire saddle towards the Z Plus tailstock end of the machine. So to do this, we will hit the jog button. Once you've hit the jog button, you need to depress the Rapid and Z Plus and move the turret towards the tailstock, and make sure you don't hit it, of course. Next, hit MDI for manual data input, and then we're going to put in a manual data input tool change command. So T0202, end of brake, then insert. When you input that, you'll notice it goes into the white box at the bottom, and then when you hit insert, it goes into the grey program box. Cycle start, and that will initiate the tool change. So with the datum tool in place, we're now ready to set work offsets and tool offsets, and we'll be covering that in a future video.